In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flat rate project from start to finish. First, make sure you're signed in and on your dashboard. We'll begin by heading to the Projects area. Look for the Projects option in your main navigation and click it. This takes you to a central place where you can see all active, archived, or draft projects. It's helpful to glance at what's already there so you avoid duplicate names and keep everything organized. Next, start a brand new entry by selecting Create New. This opens a fresh project setup screen where you'll define the key details. Taking a moment here to confirm you're in the right account or workspace can save time later, especially if you manage multiple clients. Now choose the Flat Rate Project option. This tells the system that you're billing a single fixed fee rather than tracking hours. Flat rate projects work best when the scope is clearly defined, like a website build, a design package, or a one-time consulting engagement. If your work varies widely by task, or you need detailed time logs for billing, you'd pick a different type. But for a predictable all-in price, flat rate is exactly what you want. With the project type set, select the client. Use the client drop-down to find the company or person you'll be billing. Picking the correct client ensures your invoices, reports, and communications are tied to the right account. If you serve multiple brands under one parent company, choose the exact entity that will receive the invoice to keep your records clean. Enter the project name next. Aim for a clear, specific title that anyone on your team will understand at a glance. A simple format like client name, service, month, or quarter keeps things consistent. For example, Acme, website redesign Q3, is more searchable than a vague title like new project. Now set the project amount. This is the total fixed fee you'll charge for the entire scope. Make sure it reflects everything you agreed on with the client, including any expected rounds of revisions or deliverables. Double-check the currency and confirm that this amount is exclusive of any taxes or surcharges you plan to add at invoicing time. If you work with deposits or milestones, remember those are typically handled in your invoicing settings rather than here. Finally, click Save. You should see a confirmation or be taken to the project overview page. That's it. Your flat rate project is created, linked to the right client, clearly named, and priced correctly. From here, you can add tasks, notes, or files as needed, but the core setup is complete. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your flat rate project ready to go.